How much of the volatility we've seen in Bitcoin, which mirrors the volatility we've seen elsewhere, is Bitcoin related and just it's been caught up in this huge market sell-off and volatility we've seen in the last 24 hours, Ed?
I'd wager that Bitcoin is actually quite segregated from what's happening in the rest of the markets right now. I mean, the sell-off started 2-3 weeks ago. It's been continuing since then. I think actually the news today is that it seems to have found some stability. It seems to have found a floor around 7,000, and it will really bear very close watching over the next 2 or 3 days to see if it can maintain this level. Maybe we're around the floor.
Is Ed Robinson suggesting a low? I know it's not our game to tell you when, but below 6,000 was certainly significant.
Yeah.
Ed, America's top 2 market watchdogs are planning to ask Congress to consider federal oversight for digital currency trading platforms. That's according to our story.
Yes.
That's significant. More regulatory burdens for cryptocurrencies.
Yes, I think what you're going to see is a bifurcation inside the crypto community where you'll increasingly have players who want regulation. They'll actually say, this is a good thing. We need to be legitimate. We need to institutionalize this. We need to have that stamp of approval from regulators. And then you'll have kind of the purists who are saying, oh my God, this violates everything Bitcoin is about. It needs to remain offshore, unregulated. That kind of civil war is going to be very interesting to watch.
Links to the financial system, that's been a question we've been asking you, and many have been shrugging it off. You know, Bitcoin isn't big enough. But Augustin Carstens, the BIS general manager, said that, you know, we need to look at this. Authorities need to rein in currencies because of their links. Is the mindset changing among the likes of the BIS and these big financial market figureheads? I
think there's consensus that something needs to be done. But how that happens and under what auspices, we don't know. There's been a lot of talk in Europe about the G20 being perhaps the proper venue for developing some kind of comprehensive approach to the market side of cryptocurrencies. Now, when it comes to actually using blockchain and distributed ledger technology that underpins that, that's a separate question.